What's up, YouTube surfers? This is Nick, and today I just wanted to show you real quick which light bulbs are which on the back of a 2006 Chevy Malibu, and then I'll also show you what type of bulbs you need to get if you need to swap any of these out, as well as we'll real quick over how to actually change this. So we are looking at the back of a 2006 Chevy Malibu. The first light up on top here, this is the tail lamp, or one of the tail lamps. There's actually two tail lamps here. Then you have a center bulb, or a center light, which is the backup light. And then this bottom bulb is also a stop lamp and a signal lamp, so like blinker lamp. So real quick and easy on how to swap this out. Basically all you need is a screw gun. You can see I got my screw gun over there. You undo this screw, pop that out, come on inside. You can see this little, usually you would have like a net here. I don't have the net in the back of this car anymore, but basically you unscrew that with your hands, pop that out, and then you can peel back the carpeting here, or whatever this is, just like the insulation almost. And then in here you have two also thumb screws that you can just unscrew manually. So just go ahead and unscrew those and then pop those off. And then this light will just go ahead and slide right out. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video real quick and pull that out, and then I'll show you what bulbs you actually need here. Alright, so once you've popped that off, all you do is, these are just literally screwed in, so you just go ahead and turn it counterclockwise and pop it out, and then once you pull out the bulb to replace it, you just stick it back in and turn it clockwise. Same thing with this one. So you can see there's the two different bulb types. This top bulb is the exact same as this bottom bulb down here. So if we pop this one out, you'll see that it's kind of the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull each one of these out and just show you the numbers on them, so that way you know also which bulbs you actually need once you go to the hardware store or the auto store. Okay, so here we have the bulbs. You can see that the top and bottom bulb, this is listed as a 3057. I think that the smaller one was an HT92, but literally I could barely see the numbering on it, and when I went to rub it off, because it had a little bit of dust on it, it literally just wiped the numbers off. So for this one, unfortunately, you'll probably just have to give them the make and model of the car at the auto shop to have them to get this get the bulb that you need. But this is what it looks like. So hopefully this helps somebody out there. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.